Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome to what is the nerve centre of Niall Gardens, or at least it's the editing nerve centre. I suppose the garden really is the nerve centre, obviously. But this video is to let you know that I've been working on a secret little project for something that's special to me and I hope that you're going to love. And the clue is on the screen behind me. Now, you know that I love making videos all about the garden, gardening and growing, but my other love is photography. And I've been trying to work out for a while a way that I can share my garden photography with you in a more meaningful way than just banging it up onto social media that people can scroll through and then forget about. And that is where this comes in. I've created a set of my own wallpapers that I'm going to share with you completely for free so that you get another way to connect with me and the garden. And this is going to be the first wallpaper. This is the pine tree down at the bottom of my garden that I captured recently in the frost and the snow. I think it's really lovely for this time of year. So you can get a desktop wallpaper for anything up to high resolution monitors. It's good enough that it's going to work whatever monitor you have. If you don't use a computer, I've also created a version that's going to look really nice on your phone, and also a version that's going to look really nice on your tablet device as well. And it is so easy to get hold of them, and most importantly, it's free, and they're always going to be free. All you need to do is head across to my website, niallgardens.com, and select wallpapers. When you do, it's going to take you through to a page that shows this current wallpaper, and that's because I'm going to create a new monthly wallpaper so that each month of the year there's going to be a lovely seasonal image that you can enjoy at home. Select the download link and it's going to take you through to Dropbox, where there's going to be 3 versions of the wallpaper. One for desktop, one for tablet, and of course, one for phone. All you need to do is select the one you want, or all of them if you want to cover all of your devices with the wallpaper, download them and add them into your device. I hope that it's going to be something that you love. I think it's going to be really nice to be able to share my photography with you and know that you're getting to share another little bit of the garden. The link to my website and the free wallpapers is in the description down below. Go and download it. Enjoy. I really hope you enjoy, and of course leave a comment in the description down below to tell me that you've downloaded it and what you think. And until next time, see you later.